What's up, guys? Today gonna open the air intake filter for the first time after 2 years, and it's been 2 years of not abusing the truck, but definitely riding, on some desert ride and some dusty trails, that's for sure. So I couldn't wait to see how the air filter will looks like. Let's check it out.
Alright, here we are. Unfortunately, I don't have any driveway like most of you guys. So this needs to be done here. Here where I am. So the truck is sit here most of the time. Oh, sweet. Need to clean a little bit the engine bay. Maybe, hopefully move into a bigger house and have a driveway and change the oil myself and give a little bit more love than what Pep Boys guys can do. See kind of oil all over the place. But here's the guy. All right, let's take it apart. Actually, the filter is not that bad, at least not so bad as expected. Of course, it's not clean. It's been running for 2 years and 35,000 miles more or less. Made in Mexico. Sweet. No, so there's no dust or anything coming off of it. But there is something very important that I need to be checking. I see online many people remove this part inside, and I think I'm gonna remove it as well, so you're gonna have a little bit more airflow. Here we are. I don't know if it's all over the place, all over the country, or just in California BS to the emission stuff, but here I couldn't even yeah, I even wanted to purchase like cold air intake, and I was unable to do that because apparently they're not selling anymore in California for the latest models. So I have to buy this one. I could buy in other states, but at the end of the day, it's not a big deal. It's totally okay. I was just putting the cold air intake just for not any particular purpose, because I think it's not really worth it. And since I'm driving the car most of the time in off-road trails and stuff, so I wanted to have a little bit better protection to the air filter, that's for sure. So I'm cool with that, but I want to remove the extra pad because there is no way, once it's clogged, one is dirty, there's no way to clean it or to change it, so I'm gonna remove it. Just breaking this thing out, seems like. Honestly, I didn't see. I saw there is this thing, but I didn't see how to remove it, and just try like in freestyle. But yeah, just this. And this is kind of dirty, and there's no way to clean it, and it seems pretty thick. It's pretty easy, you cannot see through or anything like that. So yeah, I think it is a good thing. Just take it apart and remove it. All right, clean it up a little bit, the base of the air filter box, and this is what it looks like, the brand new one. It looks sweet. I can put this guy back in. All right. All right. Nice and sweet. Back everything in place. Alright, these are the old guys that are gonna be thrown away. And now it's time to clean a little bit this engine bay. I'm kind of an old school guy, so I'm gonna just use just a piece of cloth. I'm not gonna use any water. I like to keep my engine really out of water and humidity. All right, cold start. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, there is not any filter noise from the outside of the vehicle, even inside of course. And so pretty bolt in change of the filter, pretty smooth transition, so I totally recommend it. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.